Safeline Brake Pads are South Africa's #1 choice for safety. Made to OEM quality, Safeline is trusted by mechanics and workshops for its quality and performance to keep motorists and other road users safe. As a local manufacturer, Safeline understands the driving conditions faced by motorists in Africa and the importance of supplying brake pads that deliver on both quality and safety. Safeline is the only brake pad manufacturer in South Africa to be both EMARC and SABS certified. Let's take a look at how these leading brake pads for passenger, 4x4, taxi and heavy duty are made. The process begins at the washing station where the backing plates are washed and decontaminated from dirt, grease or grime. An adhesive is then applied to the backing plate at a specified thickness to enhance the shear strength of the brake pads. The glued backing plates pass through an oven. Did you know Safeline uses up to 17 selected raw materials in its brake pad compound? Each raw material is inspected by quality control before they are mixed together. The compound is further tested to ensure they meet strict specifications before it is released into production. Safeline employs hot pressing and cold pressing technology dependent on the vehicle application. In our automated hot press machines, operators prepare the required backing plates while the system sprays mold release agents, dispenses the compound into molds, and hot presses the pads according to part-specific parameters. This streamlined process prioritizes consistency, quality, and safety. The operator places the prepared backing plates over the mold cavities, and the compound is hot pressed according to the specific part number using sophisticated automated hot press rigs. The brake pads are then fed into ovens for curing, where the raw materials are activated and impurities are removed. Once cured, the pads are ground to their precise surface finish for optimal operating state. The brake pads are then powder coated, providing a protective, anti-corrosive layer. Once cured, the brake pads are printed with authentic Safeline part numbers and quality certifications, guaranteeing their authenticity and compliance with global industry standards such as the ECE R90. Safeline's distinctive SafeTrack layer is precisely screen printed in a sleek design, combining modern aesthetics with high performance. It delivers immediate friction, dramatically shortening the bedding-in period for faster, safer braking. Accessories such as clips, shims, wear sensors or kits are fitted on the brake pads depending on the vehicle application. Some brake pads include anti-rattle clips to reduce vibration or shims to dampen noise for a smoother drive. Others may feature wear clips that give an audible replacement warning, or electronic sensors that alert the driver on the dashboard. The brake pads are now ready to be packaged. They are grouped into sets, shrink-wrapped, and packed into our environmentally friendly cardboard boxes, ready for dispatch. Visit the Safeline website to find out more or make use of the Brake Finder, an online catalog that helps you quickly match the correct brake pads to your vehicle.